Do you find yourself struggling throughout the week, trying to maintain your house and still remain sane? You can make your life easy by coming up with a weekly reset. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips of what I do every week to just prepare for the new week and ensure that it's going to be a smooth sail for me. Number 1, planning the meals for the coming week. Allow me to talk about our giveaway. We have a complete maker, burner and cylinder. We are giving back to our subscribers and followers on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and IG. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 followers, so introduce as many people as possible. Maybe if we notice someone is so dedicated, we might give something before the 10,000. But for now, our ultimate prize is the maker, burner and cylinder that we're going to give away once we hit 10,000 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep following us on our other social media pages, and we really appreciate the 1,440 of you. Thank you so much for considering us worthy of your subscription. The first thing I do is check what is in stock and then restock what has run out. I don't know whether I am alone or you do not want to imagine coming home and there is no specific ingredient or getting a call that something has run out. Well, the only thing that gets me off guard is gas. So I don't know who. I heard there is something that you can put on the gas to be able to tell when it's almost running out. I'd love to know. Would you know what it is? If you know what it is, please leave a comment down below. And of course, if you sell, let me know. Maybe I can promote you. The second thing that I do is as I check the items that are in stock, I just tidy up my pantry and the spaces that I put my stuff, just to have a clean feel as we start the week. I also check my fridge and just wipe it to keep away the germs and ensure that anything that is spoiled is thrown away. But like I said in a previous video, I'm working very hard to ensure there are no leftovers that gets to waste. So we cook minimal, and even when there's extra, we ensure it is eaten within the week so that we don't have wastage. The third thing is to go shopping. I don't like shopping for groceries because life is very expensive. Every time, like, you pick a few items, you get to the till and you wonder what is that has costed you so much. But well, so I also don't like shopping, but I don't have a choice. And like I said in my previous video, I have come up with ideas and ways of saving on my groceries, so I've actually been saving a lot. The next thing is to batch cook if we don't already have food in the freezer, because that helps in ensuring that you take less time when it comes to cooking and you focus on other things. Also come up with a menu which is realistic. By realistic, I mean it's the menu for the items that are available or the items that I'll be adding in my shopping list. Leave a comment down below with any ideas of what you do different every weekend. The next thing is general cleaning of the house, so that during the week you can just wipe. It's less hectic. I don't know why I love to general clean every week. I feel like the house stays more cleaner and you feel fresh. Do you have that feeling of some fresh smell every time you clean the house? I don't know, am I alone? Sometimes I feel like the house smells fresh or smells new. Leave a comment down below with what you feel. The other thing is to try and come up with ideas for the next week's content. I'm working hard to resume posting the normal days that I used to post, that is Monday and Thursday. It's still a struggle, but I want to resume that posting, so that is also something I try to work on. Previously I was having family issues, so sometimes becoming consistent was a bit of a challenge, but I'm working on that. I'm hoping going forward it's going to be a smooth sail. Yeah, so if you have any other, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Let me also learn from you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on the next one. Bye.